What is good, 7th graders? We have a couple examples to do for G3 where we're looking at different 3D figures, looking at viewpoints and slicing them and all that good stuff. All right, so we'll start with this one. We are where the person is looking at this 3D object. We have to figure out what we see when we're looking at that. And what we see from that vantage point are those 6 blocks on that side. So we find the 6, check it, and it's good. All right, on this one, we're standing on the right side, looking that way. What we see this time are those 16 blocks. So we choose that one, which is the second one. Good, let's look at one more. It says if you look at this from the top, this time they don't have the little person for us, we just have to figure it out. We're looking from the top, what do we see? Well, if we're looking down at the top, we see those 4 blocks right there. This one's 4, that one's 3, so we want the first one. Good. All right, the second link. What is the shape of the base? Now the bases are the 2 sides in a 3D figure, the 2 sides that are parallel. So the 2 sides that if they kept going, they would not intersect. So on this prism, which is what it's called when you have 2 parallel bases, those triangles are bases. They are the parallel sides. Any other side of this prism would not be parallel. So the triangle is the base. Good, this is a cone. It has 1 base, and it's at the bottom, and it's going to be the circle. When you have a pyramid or a cone, there's not 2 bases, there's only 1. So it's that circle. Let's try one more. We have another pyramid. So the base is going to be the one on the bottom there, which is the square. And let's check the last link. This is looking at cross sections. Now what cross sections are is when if you take a prism or a pyramid or any 3D object and you slice it, it is the shape that is made after slicing, okay? So we have a triangular prism here, and you can see this plane that is slicing right through the middle of that. It says, which shape does the intersection of the horizontal plane with the prism look like? So we have 4 choices there. Okay, now as this prism is slicing through it, it's going to make that shape right there if we just connect all the sides. So it's actually making a triangle. So we scroll down, select the triangle. That's the shape being made. Okay, we have a square pyramid here, and it's slicing down the side. What shape that is making, when it slices, it's going from there to there to there to there. Now it kind of looks like it's a square or a rectangle. But remember, the sides of a pyramid are slanted, so the shape it's actually making when you slice it is a trapezoid, like that, okay? Now this is a little hard to visualize, but visualize a square pyramid like this, and we're just slicing off the end, and then you took the object and you looked at it, the part that was where it was sliced off, what shape would you see when you're looking at it? And that's the shape that you would see. This would be the first one there. Okay, we're slicing this horizontally, so the shape that is made when we slice it is going to be a 5-sided shape, which is the same shape as the base, which is a pentagon. So the slice that is made, when you slice it and you look at it, you're going to see a pentagon.